Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing number 235. See if we start with this box. We're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 here. So 7, 1. For this box we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here. So this is our 5. That 9 makes this our 8. 9. For this bottom row then we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7, but no other help, so 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 1 and 3. And no help, so 1, 3, 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got the 2 here. So 3, 9, the 9 here, so 2, 3, the 2 here, so 3, 9. So that means that our 2 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. No help here. 1, 5, 7. 5 and 7 here. Means this is our 1. No help here, so 5, 7. And we can get rid of that 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. And for this row, we're missing a 9. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. Got the 5 and 6 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, and the 6 here, so 1, 5. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, 5 here, so 1, 9. So now if we look back, the only place our 6 can be is here, and the only place our 5 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. Got a 2 and 7 here, so that makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 7, 2. And that 7 means we can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here. So 3, 5. Same here. 3, 5. We've got the 3 and 5 here, and a 2 here. So that makes this our 9 and our 2. That 9 makes this our 1. The 1 makes this our 5, 3, 5. That 7 makes this our 1. The 1 makes this our 3, 9. That 9 makes this our 3. This 1 makes this our 9. The 3 makes this our 1, 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.